Alrighty, hello everybody. Alright, there. So, hello everybody, what is up? I'm going to be teaching you guys how to mod primary, make custom levels. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's just get straight into it. So, first thing you're gonna do is join here. Wait a sec. The primary speedrunning Discord. Even if you don't speedrun, it's just easier to categorize it. And go to resources. Pretty soon there will be this file right here. Primary modding stuff. Just right here. And basically it'll have all the things you need to get started, or most part. And you'll also need this. I'll leave this in the description. It's just a Flash decompiler. You can use pretty much anything. But I just use this because it's easiest. Let me find it. Oh wait, it's in my other modding folder. There. So, first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up Flash Player and then use this PS Editor file. And there you go, you have the level maker here. So we'll make a really simple level real quick. We'll just make, we'll just go boom, and then we'll go boom. We'll just make a small test area real quick just so you can know that I'm in the right level here. Alright, there. So we'll just put up enemy here. Boom. Okay. So, start and exit. We'll put a sign here saying, no, go this way, go this way. Alright, so basically, we have our level here. We made our level. We did our stuff. And what you're going to do here is you're going to go to, depending on whatever level you do, set your level. We'll just change the first level here. But if you're going to change, like, say, level 30 or level 20, you'll have to change that up to level 20. And what you're going to do is you're going to click, once you click generate, you'll be confused when you just get text. And it's not like Mario Maker where you just start playing. But what you're going to do is you're going to highlight all this level 1 to the end, Control C. And now what I recommend doing, which you don't have to do, it just makes things a little easier. Let me show you with my other project currently, is I have this file called level arrays. And basically all I do is I just copy each level down onto here because it's easier to load. Because once you bring it back from the decompiler, like if you try and paste it from the decompiler to back to the generator, like the level maker, it is really messy. It's hard to explain, but I would just recommend doing this. You basically just, and then save it and call it good. Yeah. So basically, either way, from here, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the Flash decompiler right here. I already installed it, but you can install it. Link in the description. And all you're going to do, you're also going to need now. All right, we'll close that for now because we already have our what's it called, string. Now what we're going to do is we're going to, let me just head back to here, get our fresh copy of primary, bring it back to the modding stuff folder, and we'll just call this example. We'll just rename it here. I'd recommend naming your files just so it's easier to find. Boom. And just so you know what you're modifying here, but basically you're going to go to open here. I have no clue what that game is doing. Primary modding stuff, and then you'll go to example, or whatever you named your file. And then you have this right here. Please pause. And now what you're going to do is you're going to go to scripts right here. And then you're just going to scroll all the way down until it says frame 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6, 7. You're going to go to frame 7, click plus. And then look at these do actions. Scroll through until you get to these levels. So basically, these are all the levels. These are the code for the levels. And so what you're going to do is say if we want to modify level 1, we'll go to do it action 3, or everything that says level 1 on it. Level 2, 3, 4, 6. You get the idea, right? So now, let's go. Where is it? There we go. So now if we want to change level 1, all we're going to do is with this, or with that array we made, and we copied, we should have, you're just going to highlight this and then just drag down so you can delete it, and then just paste your new level array. And so now when we open the game, you can click run right here. I clicked run twice, my bad. Now when we go to level 1, we have our example level. So now you're probably wondering, when I looked in the level editor, I didn't see any enemies. Well, you're just in luck, because I'm going to explain that real quick. So basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go back to your level editor, actually. Going to go to Flash Player, PS Editor, and then we'll reload the array we had. Boom. Okay, so now what you're going to do, because there's obviously no enemies in this, so what you're going to have to do is you're going to move that file over there for a second, hot second here, and basically what you're going to do is you're going to first look at here, figure out what the coordinates are of where you want your enemy placed. So say we want a Mega Stalker right here. So I'm just going to place a block right there to remember, or just a block you haven't used, so like that. We're going to look at that, and it says 1621, okay? X6, and we'll just move that over there for a hot second. And then usually what I like to do is I like to find a level with a stalker code, because it's easier to write to. We're just going to Control C, and then edit action script. I'm just going to delete anything I'm not using. You can also do this with a crayon too, but the first two letters are X and Y. You're going to want to reset these to 0, and then enemy 1, just like this. And then so if it was level 2, you'd put enemy underscore 2, or enemy underscore 3, and then per item, or per enemy, you want to change this number. So if we have 4 enemies, we'd go 1, or 0. We start at 0 for some reason, I don't know why. 0, 2. I'll just leave it at that. But yeah. And so now to change where the enemy spawns, all you're going to do is you're going to go back to here, and you're going to figure out where that item you placed was. And 16 and 21. X16, Y21. The first two are X and Y. So 16 and then 21. So we have 16 and 21. I don't really know what the last letter is. It's probably like the speed of the enemy or something. I'll toy with that later.
The human race.
But now we have an enemy. So you may have to fiddle with the positions a little bit. Like you can see here, I'll probably have to put this a block less down. But yeah, that's basics on how to make levels. I'm gonna be honest, I still haven't figured out how to make doors yet. It's a little complicated for me, but we're on our way there. I'll make a video and I'll update this once that's made. But for now, yeah.